Hey guys, it's starting to rain. I'm trying to stand under my umbrella out here, but I just wanted to show you what I got done last night. I didn't film it because, quite frankly, setting the camera up is a pain in the butt, and I just wanted to get the work done. But as you can see, I ran the drip irrigation tubing in a grid formation. It kind of loops as it gets down to this end. So this section down here has good watering, so I actually started my loops further back. But anyway, I got the roses in last night, as you can see. I ran out of hollies. I'm going to pencil hollies. I'm going to have to get more. So on this side, I planted Seattle Dahlias. They're yellow and white. And I didn't finish planting. I really haven't started this section. Over here, I planted Kevin Floodlight Dahlias. I planted 3. And then I did Corona Gold Yarrow. And then, as you can see, I already put the germander in on this section. Actually, got a little bit uncovered. Let me see if I can do this without killing the plant with my boots. It should be okay. I'll tell you why it's looking like that in a minute. And then I started planting some of the sunflowers back there. Those are Pro Cut Plum, which only have to be planted like every 4 inches. So I gave them a little bit more spacing. I don't know how well they're going to do because I think they were in the cups a little too long. So what I'm going to do is I have more seeds. I'm going to start a second batch of sunflowers because if I start them now, they'll bloom by the end of summer. And in the very back, you probably can't see it, I put in the hollyhock. So on this side, I put Rugose. I think I've got 1 banana. And I just found another Rugose Hollyhock that I gotta put in here. I don't know. I think I might put it smack in the middle of all those sunflowers over there, to be quite honest. Just to, keep everything similar. I thought there was another one over here. I hope I didn't step on it. But anyway, I did plant some of the double dandies because those are cool ones right there. And I have a lot of banana hollyhock. The banana hollyhock can be planted a little closer together, so I'm going to duck this section out. Other plants I have to go in here are 2 different types of yellow Verbascum, which I think will get like 5 feet tall. And then I also have some Temple Bells Foxglove, which is yellow, but it's going to go closer to the font. And I have some Prospedia. I've got some Strawfower. I feel like I need to find, I need to get some more yellow Yarrow. I don't know if I want to necessarily get Coronation Gold, but just another yellow to go over here. And at a certain point in time, with some of the chrysanthemums I have, they'll be big enough. I have some yellow ones that'll work well in both of these sections. So guys, it's coming along. I was hoping to have this all planted and mulched by Saturday, because that's when the flower show is. I don't know. I'm going to try to get it done as much as I can, but the rain is definitely going to be slowing me down. So anyway, I'll leave you guys with this final shot of my Graham Thomas rose, which is absolutely beautiful. So I'll see you guys later. Oh, wait a minute. I just realized I forgot to tell you guys why that one germander was out of whack. So I'm sure you guys can see, if you look at the walls, there's like a faint yellow line that's kind of high. That's pollen. When we got the last rainstorm, like the fountain got really filled up with water. And so, because I knew we were supposed to get a couple of days of rain, I was terrified that it'll start overflowing, because the liner is down, all the way down there. It's not at the top of this right here. So last night I came out here with a bucket and I was bailing water out. So I bailed out enough to drop the water line 2 inches. So it is where it is now. But I bailed out a lot of water yesterday. So it's right now, it seems to be light rain today. So I should be okay. I mean, if I see it start, picking up, maybe later tonight, once the stops thundering and lightning, I may come out here and bail out some more water. But yeah, so I was dumping it all over the place, but in here, and I think I inadvertently hit the one germander. I mean, it'll be fine. It'll right itself. But yeah, so here's Charlotte looking all cute. And the red section, I gotta cut back this rose bush, but this is Loris pepper box poppy that's starting to bloom. So yeah, you know what, everything's starting to come alive. Oh, and those nasturtium, I feel so bad because they're not in pots yet. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with them. But they're looking good. So anyway guys, it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna run back inside. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's Brooke from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So it's Friday. I took today off because looked at my holiday bank at work and realized that I had 5 weeks and 3 days of vacation accrued that I haven't used. So I decided to take a day. So I'm out in the garden and I had noticed something a little bit disturbing. So as you can see, the fountain is off. Well, see that right there? That's the tube that feeds the water into the fountain. I went out shopping this morning and the fountain was working as usual, and I came home and it was completely still. Now we've had some storms, so I thought, you know, maybe the power or maybe the breaker tripped. And then as I was looking up, because I was like, why isn't it turning back on? I noticed that, see that hole right there? That's where the tube goes through. And I found it in the pool. So I don't know how it came out. I did call the police where I purchased the pool, because I'm trying to figure out, like, how do I fix that, because it should not be coming out at all. So hopefully they'll have some answers for me so I know what to do, because it really needs to be, you know, stuck, because I think what happened is when it got pulled out, I think it overloaded the motor, and the pump shut off, which is good. That's what it should do. But I don't know how, you know, even if it was slipping down, like, I don't understand how it came out. I mean, this particular, the pump is not where it was. So I don't know if maybe because it was slipping down with the water, it was pumping out. That's how it got pushed out. But all I know is we got to figure out, you know, hopefully there's a way they can seal that tube inside that base. I don't know if it would be like a, I know there's like a silicone, it's like a hard silicone putty, maybe, to make sure that doesn't come out again. But yeah, so they're gonna call me back tomorrow. Tomorrow's the flower show, but you know, I mean, if anything, they probably have to come out next week. So for right now, it's off. So I'm just gonna enjoy it while it's quiet. I do miss the sound, I really do. But you know, it is what it is. So let me show you the yellow section. Okay, so I got 2 more pencil, sky pencil holly from Stonebridge Garden Peddlers. Speaking of which, they need to get some t-shirts. Barbara, you need to get some t-shirts, okay? You can see right now, see, this is Owl's Family Farm. I got some plants from them. I got some lantana. So Barbara, you need to get some t-shirts so people can wear it, so I can wear it on my YouTube videos. I'm just saying. Okay, so now that we got that straightened out, let me show you what I got. So I got some Goldfinch Leucanthemum. Leucanthemum is a Shasta daisy, and they have some yellow ones. So I already planted those. There's 2 in the section. I'm trying to make I guess what I'm trying to do with this is I'm trying to make the sections look like sisters but not twins, if that makes sense. So there are similar plants in them, but like, for example, Yarrow. I was thinking about putting Yarrow in the other section, but I decided not to do that. I decided to go with the Leucanthemum. And oh, actually, I forgot there was another plant in here. I got some Black-Eyed Susan, so those are right there. So, like I said, I don't want the sections to look identical. I want them to look related, because obviously the theme in this section is yellow, but they can look different. So I am trying to track down some additional yellow, you know, perennials. Some other things I've got in here, I've got some Craspedia right here that I winter sowed. I've got some Temple Belle's Foxglove. I've got some that's gold Strawfower, and I do have some Verbascum. So on this side I have banana Verbascum. I've got 3 of them. That's all that I got out of the winter sowing. And then on this side I have silver lining Verbascum. I think I only had 2 of those. So I do have some sunshine hollyhock in here, which I don't have over there in this section. So in this section I've got the banana hollyhock and the rugose. And over here, I've got the banana hollyhock and the sunshine hollyhock. So like I said, I wanted to look different. So then I'm filling in with sunflowers. I don't think they're going to get very big. I'll put them in anyway. Like I said, I'm going to restart some of them. But it's just something to fill in over here. And so yeah, and so the I do have some dahlias. So these over here are the Kevin's Floodlight. And then the ones over here are Seattle. So right now I'm going to get my drill. I'm going to drill these holes, get these things down in it. I think I have a few more hollyhock left over. These colors obviously would go very well in the sunset garden. And you know what? Since the plants are stunted, I might put them over there because they're not going to get much taller. I think there's enough sun over there, but we'll see. The banana hollyhock though, I'm not going to put over there. I'm going to put in the driveway beds because I do have some banana hollyhock plus some Antwerp hollyhock that I think is going to look really nice. So let me set up the camera. Where's my drill? Oh, I left my drill inside. So let me go get my drill and I'll start planting these. I did not put any germander in this section yet, so I have to do that. And I'm going to put some germander between these set of pencil holly because it's going to be like that anyway. And then once I finish planting this up, I'm going to put some fertilizer in, and then I'm just going to mulch this, and then I'm going to call it a day. And then maybe Saturday after the flower show, I'll start on those 2 sections, and I'll tell you more about that later. And there is Bumper Snoot, the faithful gardening pooch. He's got his little pillow that he tore a hole in, but he's just quite enjoying himself out here with me. And yeah, so let me get my camera, let me get my tripod and let's go.